How to sharpen your pencils easily.
No!
To sharpen the pencil properly, all you need is a lathe and the appropriate longitudinal turning chisel. When the chisel is clamped, loosen the screws and set the machine to between 10 and 15 degrees. Tighten the screws again. Bring the machine up to speed, and you are ready to start. Only do this step with your safety glasses and be especially careful with the top. When the desired result has been achieved, unclamp the machine and start writing. Simple, cheap and fast, a super life hack.